Hi, my name is Mike, and I welcome you to ChatGPT, your everyday guide to unlocking its potential. In this video, we will delve into the world of ChatGPT and equip you with the knowledge and strategies to maximize its capabilities. Whether you're a beginner, tech-savvy, or simply curious about the helpful ways to use ChatGPT in your everyday life, this guide will help you unleash its true potential and guide you through it. ChatGPT, released in November 2021, is a free AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, which has quickly become a global phenomenon, with capabilities ranging from answering simple questions to writing entire essays. To use ChatGPT, you will need to create an account. Let's see how. First, head to this link to start creating a new account. In case you come across the message ChatGPT is at capacity right now, it means too many people are on the site at that moment, and you'll have to wait and try again later. Click the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and click on Continue. You can also sign up through your Google or Microsoft account. To do so, click on the corresponding button located below. Create a password and click Continue. Your password must be at least 8 characters in length. You will receive an email in your inbox. Open the link inside that verifies your email address. If you didn't receive the email, click on Resend Email. Enter your data in the boxes and click Continue. Enter your phone number and select Send Code. You will receive a message for phone verification. ChatGPT does not yet support all countries. If you currently have a phone number from a country that is not yet supported, you will not be able to create an account. Enter the 4-digit code and click Continue. Now you are all set to start using ChatGPT. After creating your free ChatGPT account, you will get this screen. Let's see briefly what are these options about. We will not cover the API option in this everyday guide, as it's for developers only. The DALL-E option is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. It creates original, realistic images and art from a text description. It can combine concepts, attributes, and styles. Type a detailed description of what you would like the AI system to create. It can be anything. In order to use DALL-E, you need to purchase credits. Now, let's dive into the ChatGPT option. Click ChatGPT, you will land on this screen. ChatGPT's interface is rather simple and clean. You have a search bar at the bottom of the screen and a sidebar at the left. Use the search bar to type your query. It can be a question, an exercise, a reminder. We will cover the main uses in the next chapters. After typing your query, the response will be generated above the search bar. You will find the history of your queries at the top of the sidebar. Let's see in more detail all the main uses of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used in various ways to assist you in generating human-like text responses. Let's delve into the main ones together. ChatGPT can be employed as a virtual assistant to answer questions, provide information, and offer recommendations. You can ask about the weather in any location, schedule appointments, set reminders, or even seek general advice. For example, try asking ChatGPT what is human life expectancy in Europe? The generated answer is thorough, informative, and relevant. Do you agree? Note that you can find the question you asked and the relative answer in the history. Just click on it in the left bar when you need it again. ChatGPT can act as a study companion, helping you with your homework, clarifying concepts, or providing explanations. It can be particularly beneficial in subjects like mathematics, science, or history. For instance, do you want to check your knowledge about the American Civil War? Just type it in the search bar. Did you know that ChatGPT can aid in translating text from one language to another? You can input sentences or phrases in a particular language and receive translations in the desired language. Just type in the search bar the word, sentence, or phrase in a language and ask ChatGPT to translate it for you. Would you like a tutorial on a specific topic? Leave your request in the comment. We will be happy to create a video about it. You can also use ChatGPT to generate content of any kind. For example, you can brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, or even draft entire articles. It can be a useful tool for overcoming writer's block or quickly expanding on a concept. In order to generate some ideas for your next article, just type your request in the search bar. ChatGPT can be used to give you recipe ideas. It could save you when you have a few ingredients in your fridge and don't know what to do with them. Just type the list of ingredients in the search bar and ask for recommendations. Another helpful way to use ChatGPT is that it's able to convert natural language to turn-by-turn directions. For instance, you can type in the search bar detailed directions to go from New York to Philadelphia. You can also specify the type of transport you wish to use: car, public transport, and more. ChatGPT can engage in conversations and offer resources or coping strategies. It may provide a non-judgmental and empathetic environment. It can be beneficial if you are seeking emotional support or struggling with mental health issues. Even though the AI system can be helpful for this purpose, it does not constitute a replacement for a professional psychologist or counselor. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be utilized. Its versatility and ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses make it a valuable support for everyday challenges, ideas, directions, and more. Did you know that ChatGPT is now built into the search engine Bing? The result, called Bing Chat, is brilliant. Unlike the usual search engine experience, which displays a list of links to click, Bing Chat provides answers to your questions in an interactive way. You can access Bing with the built-in ChatGPT in the Microsoft Edge web browser on any device, or by downloading the Bing mobile app on your Android, iPhone, or iPad. Now, let's see together some useful ways to use Bing Chat. You just need a Microsoft account, and you are all set to start unlocking its potential. In case you don't have a Microsoft account, you will need to create one to use Bing Chat. First, open the Microsoft Edge web browser and go to this link. If you don't have Microsoft Edge, you can install it from here. When you are on the Bing page, click Chat at the top. Click Start Chatting or Chat Now. Even though the steps to get started may vary by user, you will usually see one of these two options. Now, you are ready to search for answers and information from the web. Type the same sort of search query you would into a search engine. You can also ask follow-up questions and provide more context or clarification to refine the results. You can use Bing Chat to generate content as well. You may try producing poems, recipes, essays, and much more. Besides, you can also choose the conversation style for that particular chat. There are currently 3 chat styles: creative, balanced, and precise. Choose the creative style if you are dealing with conversation topics that require the AI to loosen up a bit and generate entertaining responses. Do you need factual accuracy and consistency? Then you should choose the precise style. It focuses on shorter, to-the-point answers. Finally, the balanced style provides a balance between factual accuracy and engaging creative responses. It is a mix of the two previous, extreme styles. Some examples of these styles? Try typing in the same query "how to enjoy a movie" for all three styles. As you can see, the creative style gives you long-winded answers and provides several suggestions, focusing on aspects such as mood, company, and coziness. It even invites you to make connections between the characters and yourself. The precise style is more to the point, with a short paragraph focusing on the fact you might need to compromise the genre of movie to select if you are going to watch with other people. The balanced style is a mix of the two extremes. The paragraph is longer than the precise style, and the focus is on having drinks and snacks, and having good equipment for the movie night. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week. See you soon. Cheers!